Welcome back. So in this lecture you are going to study about structure, coverings and parenchyma of testis. Okay. So testis is the primary sex organ in males and testis produces sperms. So the shape of testis is oval in shape, oval or walnut in shape, walnut shape. Okay. Walnut in shape. And it is located in the scrotum of the male reproductive system. It is located within the scrotum. Location is within the scrotum. Okay, and it weighs around 15 to 19 grams. The average weight of a adult testis is 15 to 19 grams, and it is measured around 5 centimeters long and 3 centimeters width. Breadth. Okay, so 5 into 3 centimeters measurements. Other than this, you need to know the coverings of testis. So testis has totally 3 coverings. The innermost covering is called as tunica vasculosa. The innermost covering is called as tunica vasculosa. Okay, then it has totally 3 coverings, and the middle covering is called as tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. And the outermost covering is called as tunica vaginalis. So testis is composed of 3 coverings. Innermost covering is called as tunica vasculosa, middle covering is called as tunica albuginea, and outermost covering is called as tunica vaginalis. Innermost tunica vasculosa, middle tunica albuginea, and outermost is called as tunica vaginalis. Okay, I am going to erase this one. I am going to erase the coverings. So coming to your parenchyma of testis, what are the parts that are present inside a parenchyma of testis? That means inner structures of testis. So each testis has, obviously we have 2 pairs of testes, 1 pair of testis, that means 2 testes. So each testis has lobules. Can you see the lobules here? So these are called as lobules of testis. Lobules of testis. So how many lobules present in each testis? Around 200 to 300 lobules present in each testis. Okay. So these lobules contains a coiled structures called as seminiferous tubules. These are called as seminiferous tubules. So how many seminiferous tubules present in each lobule? Around 400 to 600 seminiferous lobules present. Seminiferous tubule present in single lobule. That means how many present in all the lobules? Just measure, students. So these seminiferous tubules connected to a part called rete testis. So this is called rete testis. This rete testis connected to a bulged structure called epididymis. Epididymis. Via a small string of threads called as vas efferens. Vas efferens. Okay. So the rete testis connected to the epididymis by a structure called vasa efferens. Vas efferens. Now this epididymis will further elongated into a structure called vasa deferens. Vas deferens. Okay. So this is vas deferens. I am going to erase the properties of testis, students. This one. So this vas deferens is the tail part of the epididymis. Epididymis will elongate into a structure called vas deferens, and this vas deferens, the terminal part of the vas deferens is connected to the prostate gland. So this is prostate gland. It is connected to the prostate gland, seminal gland and urethra. How it is connected, I will say. So the terminal portion of the vas deferens is called as ampulla. This ampulla is connected to these 3 organs. Okay, ampulla is connected to these 3 accessory sex organs, which are your prostate gland, seminal gland and urethra. Okay. So I will draw one flow chart. By this you will understand the inner structures of testis. Just to draw this flow chart, students. So the parenchyma starts with seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are connected to a structure called rete testis. Rete testis. Rete testis is connected to what? Vas efferens. Vas efferens. Now vas efferens is connected to epididymis. Epididymis. If I go somewhat there, epididymis has three portions. This is the head of the epididymis, body of the epididymis and tail of the epididymis. I'm just excluding all those things. I'm directly writing epididymis here, okay? And this epididymis is connected to what? Epididymis connected to vas deferens. Vas deferens. This vas deferens is connected to what? What is the terminal portion of vas deferens? It is called as ampulla. Ampulla. So this ampulla is connected to what, students? Ampulla is connected to urethra and ejaculatory ducts. Ejaculatory ducts. That we will discuss later, okay? So this is the structure of testis. So once again, brief overview. Testis is located in the scrotum of the male reproductive system. It is around, the weight of testis is around 15 to 19 grams and measurements of 5 into 3 centimeters. Then it has three coverings. Innermost covering is called as tunica vasculosa, middle covering is called as tunica albuginea, whereas outermost covering is called as tunica vaginalis. Then coming to the parenchyma of testis. Parenchyma of testis composed of lobules. Almost 2 to 300 lobules present in each testis, and each lobule composed of highly coiled structures called seminiferous tubules. And how many seminiferous tubules present in a single lobule? Almost 400 to 600 seminiferous tubules present inside each lobule. And these seminiferous tubules are connected to a structure called rete testis. Rete testis in turn connected to epididymis via a string-like structure called vasa efferens. And this epididymis elongated into a tail-like portion called vasa deferens. Vasa deferens ended up, the terminal portion of the vasa deferens is called as ampulla of vas deferens. And this ampulla is connected to the urethra and ejaculatory ducts. Okay? So this is overview of testis. Everyone draw this diagram, students. Thank you.